On a windy day, Bob Grandpa Roots, 14 inches by 18 inches oil on canvas board. The wild westerly wind that devastated this peaceful bucolic landscape was strong enough to denude mature trees, grossly distort fair weather clouds, rend the fur from a bison, bend a wrought iron weather vane, and induce panic in a basset hound whose ears and tongue point due east. This American landscape is reminiscent of the work of Anna Mary Robertson Grandma Moses, whose naive folk paintings were acclaimed as a welcome alternative to the abstract expressionist art of the mid-20th century. Grandpa Roots was clearly inspired by Grandma Moses. Like her, he began painting late in life and created two-dimensional idyllic landscapes. He even assumed his art name in homage. Museum curators find his work to be less cluttered, more fun, and infinitely more affordable.